So, how do we disable YouTube AI upscaling, also known as super resolution? AI upscaling sounds amazing. Sharper visuals, enhanced detail, better clarity. It feels like a free quality upgrade, but in reality, it doesn't add real detail. Most of the time, it just applies artificial sharpening. Faces can look overly processed, text can get slightly distorted, and the overall image can feel unnatural. Plus, extra processing can affect playback performance. And in many cases, these enhancement features are enabled by default. So you might not even realize they're on. Here's how to turn them off. First, open YouTube Studio. On the left sidebar, click Settings, then go to Channel, select Advanced Settings. Scroll down until you see Let YouTube Enhance Video and Let YouTube Enhance Audio. Simply toggle both of them off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.